Taking a look at today's equity index futures markets, let's look at the NASDAQ 100 futures today as they're realizing further upside, new all-time highs once again today in the futures market. Currently 15,607 in the September futures contract, and that's a new all-time high. That's up better than 1% for the day as well. And I think when you look at some of the factors contributing to why we're seeing this upward price action today, you don't have to look too much further than the big names in the index. So you got Apple, you got Amazon, and we have Microsoft all up strongly on the session, and those are the three biggest contributors to the NASDAQ 100 index, which is certainly influencing the futures as well. So I think that's the primary driver. Couple that with the interest rate environment, as we did see the 10-year dip below 130 basis points, some downward pressure on rates now once again today as the market digests the narrative from the Jackson Hole summit. And I think that lower interest rate environment is also helping to support the tech sector as a whole, and that's why I think we're seeing the NASDAQ outperform some of the other major equity index futures markets. And when you point to today's price action across those different equity index futures markets, the NASDAQ best performers are up over 1%. The S&P 500 futures up a little under 0.5%. I think 45 basis points is about where they're going to settle out. So a little bit off their highs of the session, but still up just under 0.5% on the day. Now, we did see the Dow futures slip slightly, and then Russell futures actually down a little bit more so. So in today's equity index futures markets, the NASDAQ and the S&P futures were higher. The Dow futures and the Russell futures were lower.